Hi YouTube, this is Joe. Thank you for tuning into my channel. Here we will be unboxing the Ubiquiti Unified Security Gateway. The feature of this is advanced security, monitoring and management, powered by unified software, sophisticated routing features, high-performance gigabit ports, and the package content is Unified Security Gateway, power adapter, power cord, wall mounting kit, and quick start guide. And again, this is a very sleek and nice packaging from Ubiquiti. Let's see here what we have. The quick start guide that I will read later. We have the unit. This is the box. And then we have the power adapter, the wall plugs, the power cord, and the unit itself. Here we have the 12 volt DC. We have a console port, reset button, WAN 1, LAN 1, and WAN 2 or LAN 2. It's a very sleek metal casing, and this can be mounted here to the wall. We have a MAC ID address here. So yes, this was the unboxing of the Unified Security Gateway. Thank you.